Good afternoon and welcome all WIN participants. This is WIN on a desert island, and I'm really happy to be here with you today. My name is Tara Aghaloo, and I'm an oral surgeon at UCLA. And I wanted to tell you a little bit about my priorities for WIN on a desert island. So, priority one really is for us to stay safe ourselves and our families. That's going to be the most important aspect for sure. Priority two is to take care of our patients, their urgent and emergent needs. And I'm actually been seeing some patients, probably a couple every day, just to attend to their needs. And then priority three is for us to stay sane. And I think that staying sane is really important in a time such as this. I personally have two teenage daughters at home, and keeping them happy and safe and productive and focused and having some fun has been a big goal of mine during this really trying time. We've been playing outside, playing volleyball, doing video workouts together, and even baking cakes. So that's how I've been spending some of my time here. Um, the priority four for me has really been keeping my mind occupied, my academic mind, because it's really easy to kind of let that part go. And it's difficult when we've all been very busy people with our practices up until now. The three items that I have selected off the ITI Online Academy are basically all from the sixth ITI Consensus Conference in 2018 in Amsterdam. And, I know I'm supposed to pick only three things, but really reviewing all 54 consensus statements or picking the ones that are best for your particular practice, I think is probably the best way to go. You can really evaluate all of those individually, and then you can get further information based on the ones that are going to be more in your area of expertise. And actually, if you scroll down to the bottom of those consensus documents online, you can find our e-learning specialist, Martin Terray, who can help you find any additional materials that you might need. I hope you all enjoy the three topics for Stranded on Desert Island for WIN, and hope to see you all at the next WIN event. Thank you.